In this experiment, we need water, dishwash gel, and sugar. Take a glass of water and add 1 spoon of sugar in it and mix it well. Now add 3 spoons of dishwasher gel into it to make thick soapy water. Now take a straw, dip in this soapy liquid and also put some soapy liquid on glass to wet. Now make bubbles with the help of straw on that glass plate. You can blow more bubbles inside the first bubble. Take a plastic pipe and rub it with cotton cloth. Now bring it close to the soapy bubbles. It will be attracted to the pipe due to electric field developed after rubbing pipe with cloth. Plastic bottle, pipe or straw, dry ice and soapy liquid. Take a small plastic bottle and make a hole on the side below the cap. Now put a straw-like pipe in that hole. You can also use a simple straw. Fill half of the bottle with water and add dry ice in it. Put a cap on the bottle. As we know, dry ice makes more smoke in water. Now again, take soapy liquid which we made with the help of dishwasher and sugar. Dip the pipe in soapy liquid and it makes more smoky bubbles. Water, alcoholic freshener, dishwasher. Take a bottle filled with water, put some dishwasher in it and mix it well. Now take alcoholic body spray or room freshener as we use freshener. Put in the liquid and spray in the liquid. It makes bubbles in the liquid. Now dip your hand in water to wet it for safety and hold the bubbles in your hand. Take fire close to the bubble and it makes flames, which goes out in few seconds. You can also perform in a large horizontal dish. Take a bowl and put some water in it. Now add some dishwasher and glycerine in that water. Now mix it well until it dissolves. Now take a pipette and cut it to make straw to blow bubbles. Wear a woolen glove to hold bubbles. Now make bubbles and you can hold them by hand because the glycerin makes the film of bubbles stronger and denser. The wool reduces the surface of the contact with some gloves and bubbles do not burst for a long time. Thanks for watching this video. For more interesting videos like this, please subscribe to our channel.